Good morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video. I'm Janelle with stickermama.com, and before I get started, isn't this coffee cup? Who isn't dopey in the mornings? I love this coffee cup. Okay, so now I'll be planning for this week, May 4th through May 10th. All of the items that I'll be using to plan for the week will be listed below, so you can find all these sheets or kits that you like and may want to purchase. So this is the sheet I'll be using. Like I said, it'll be listed below. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm going to go ahead and grab my whiteout tape, and I'm going to white out, I'm going to white out the top here with Cinco de Mayo. It's the Bic whiteout. It's all right. You can tell it's a little bit discolored, but it's okay. All right. And then again for Mother's Day. Okay, there we go. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and put down the date strips. And I place this, I leave a little space from the top line of the hourly boxes here, just like so. And I'll go ahead and do the other side. Lay that one down like so. Okay, and then to do the date stickers, I usually fold this down some. Sometimes they want to come off the top, sometimes I have to pull them from the bottom, but if I just fold these down, they pop up a little bit, or I can grab my handy dandy tweezers and pull them off one by one. Okay, so I got all those down, and I kind of just press them down once again there to make sure they lay flat. All right, now from here, I'm going to go ahead and get this hexagon sticker and start to set up my sidebar. So I put this nice matching hexagon sticker over the top here. Then I go ahead and place this little sticker this week along with a sidebar checklist. And I will list items here that I have to do for my husband and myself's business. I always don't know how to say that. My husband and I have our own business, so I track here things I need to do. Okay, so after that, I do these little habit stickers, and I place the whole rest of the space with these guys. And currently, because of COVID, I keep track of my son's schooling. So each box will represent his subjects that he needs to complete every day. So it'll be math, there'll be a journal entry, math, writing, reading, and one for soccer. My son is also in club soccer, so he has a couple Zoom meetings every week, and then he also has a workout schedule that he has to complete. Okay, and after that, I then go ahead and lay out weather stickers. So I'll check out what the weather's going to be like, and I'll place down these handy dandy little weather icons. And I go ahead and write in the low and highs for each day at the beginning of the week, even though, gosh, more than not, times than not, the weather people are never really correct. But at least it gives me an idea of what the weather's going to be like for the week. And they're cute, and I like to have them on there, so. All right, so I'll just finish off. Come on, little guy, putting these down. All right, one more day here for Sunday, another cloudy sticker. Okay, all right. From there, I'm going to go ahead and grab the washi strip for this kit. I'm going to place down washi's, this thicker washi, all the way at the top here, in between the 6 and 7 o'clock hour. And then I just use the handy dandy ruler, Erin Condren ruler, to tear it, just like that. All right, and I always save these for, I don't know, maybe we might use them again somewhere. All right, and the other side. And it's always good to place the washi starting on the inside for the coil side. If you go from the outside in, then it's hard to get leverage to tear the washi strip. So it's way easier to get to if you do it from starting on the inside of the coil and working out. All right, so I have that down. And now I'm going to put down these mini washi down at the bottom here. And I just cover up that part. And again, I'll do it to the other side. And again, definitely recommend putting washi from the inside coil out. Okay. All right, once I get this one down, the next I'm going to put down my meal planning stickers, so which are also on this same sheet. So do the same thing, kind of pinch them down a little bit. Always handy to use your tweezers when you're dealing with anything small and dainty. This is where I'll do all my meal tracking for dinner. I'll put normally the main item on the first line, then any of the sides after that, or on the second and third line. Most of the time I just use 2 lines, but all right, so there we go with that. Okay, from here I'm going to get my holiday sheet. Sorry. Gosh, I lost track of what I was doing. Okay, holiday sheet. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down. Oh geez, realize it's Memorial Day. Nope, I should probably get Mother's Day. So grab the Mother's Day sticker. Come on. Okay, Mother's Day sticker here, and then this little bouquet. I'm trying to figure out how I want to put this little guy. All right, just like that. And then now I'm going to get for Cinco de Mayo. We'll add that one down. All right, my girlfriend's birthday is on Thursday. Put that there. All right, now that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and start putting in my appointments. So for now, I'll start putting all of my son's Zoom meetings. And I have a few myself this week. All right, let's see. Kind of switch it up a little bit. We'll go with a regular label for here. Okay, I'm going to place my weekend banner down. I normally place it right above, or actually I'm going to move these Mother's Day, or at least the bouquet, I guess. Put that down. And then I need to figure out where I'm going to put my little bouquet of flowers. Where am I going to do that? I don't know where it looks good. I think I'm going to... All right, I think I'll take up the Mother's Day sticker And these stickers are just regular matte in my Etsy shop. As you can see, they come off pretty easily. I also do have removable as well, but these are just, like I said, the regular matte stickers. Okay, there we go. I like that. That way I got to fit in my bouquet there. All right. Let's see, I finished putting on the appointments. He's got, my son has a meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays for his soccer. So we'll place those down. And as I'm doing this, I just remembered too, it's Teacher Appreciation on Monday. And I forgot to put that down, so I'll get that in a second too. All right, and then I'm having a Zoom meeting on Wednesday. I also have a Zoom tonight, or on Tuesday, I'm sorry, with in addition to my son having one, I have one too. I'll stick mine down below his. Okay, and then house cleaner is coming on Wednesday. I've canceled them during this whole entire time with the COVID, but they are coming this week, so I'm excited for that. All right. I'm gonna get out my little soccer balls here, and I'm gonna go ahead and place soccer balls where the Zoom meetings are, so I know that these are his Zoom meetings for soccer, and I'll probably put one on the habit tracker as well, just for some fun and decorations. All right. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I remember teacher appreciation. Knew there was something else I was going to do. Put this little cute apple and the teacher appreciation. Okay, and after I got this down, I think that pretty much sums it up. Let me double check my calendar. All right, this actually looks busier than most weeks have been lately with the whole COVID-19. At least I have some cute holiday verbiage and icons. All right, so I'll be back in a second after I do all my writing so you can see what my final product looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like as of now with some pen. Got my sidebars filled in, my this week for my business, and then we've got some of my planner time and those types of items. Got all my meal planning at the bottom, and then lots of stuff still for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday that I'll fill in as the time goes on. And I forgot to do my weather lows and highs, so I'll finish those as well. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.